Good morning students. I hope you are quite well. Students, yesterday we studied about the multiple reflections and today let's continue with the same topic. Today we will study about the instruments based on multiple reflections and one of that instrument is kaleidoscope. Let's study about the constructions and functioning of kaleidoscope today. Students, this kaleidoscope works on the principle of multiple reflections. For its constructions, we need 3 strips of plane mirrors. And what are the steps for its constructions? Firstly, we have to take 3 rectangular strips of mirrors and then we have to join them by their lengths so that the reflecting surface of the mirrors facing inwards. जो reflecting surfaces है mirrors की वो अंदर वाली side होनी चाहिए. We have to join them by using certain adhesive tape and then we have to put them in a circular tube which you can make by any piece of कार्डबोर्ड से एक सर्कुलर ट्यूब बना लीजिए और उन 3 मिरर्स को जिनको आपने आपस में ज्वाइन किया है उनको इस सर्कुलर ट्यूब के अंदर डालना. देन वी हैव टू क्लोज वन एंड ऑफ द ट्यूब बाय ए पीस ऑफ कार्डबोर्ड. सर्कुलर पीस कार्डबोर्ड का काट के उसका एक एंड जो हमने ट्यूब का बंद कर देना. देन and at the center of this piece of cardboard we have to make a small hole so that we can see through it. ठीक है, उस कार्डबोर्ड के जो सर्कुलर डिस्क लगाई है कार्डबोर्ड की उसके सेंटर में एक छोटा सा होल करना है so that we can see through it. And on the other side of the tube we have to put some pieces of बैंगल्स के ब्रोकन पीसेस इसमें डालने हैं. सो आवर कलेडोस्कोप इज रेडी. सो लेट्स रिवाइज अगेन दिस कलेडोस्कोप. इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ 3 strips of plane mirrors which are placed at an angle inside a tube, and one end of the tube must have provision for allowing light to enter. So that is why we have to make hole at one end and on the other end we have to put some broken pieces of bangles or maybe we can use beads or any colorful stones etc. Then due to angular placement of the mirrors, infinite number of designs will be formed which are based on how the pieces of bangles or beads arrange themselves. And one interesting thing is that every time while you see through it you will get a new design. कोई भी डिज़ाइन जो है वो रिपीट नहीं होगा. Every time you can find out a new design. So this is all about today. How you have to make kaleidoscope. We will make it ourselves when you will come to the school. So this is enough for today. Thank you.